Ewo now, see soap. Hi my loves, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, you stopping by here is not a mistake. Please don't go nowhere. Stay tuned to see this video till the end, and if you love what you're seeing, please give this video a thumbs up, like, comment and subscribe. I'll see you all in the comment section. So if you're a returning subscriber, thank you my love, thank you for supporting me, thank you for coming back to see my videos, thank you for helping me fulfill purpose. I love you guys. Stay tuned. So guys, I've been down for some couple of days now, but I'm strong now, or I'm stronger now. I'm better. You get. So while I was down, I've been craving for okra and vegetable soup, and that's what we'll be preparing in today's video. So if you're interested to see how Sally is going to be preparing her okra soup and her vegetable soup, but in a more local way or a localized way, please don't go nowhere. As I said earlier on, just stay tuned, stay glued, and watch to the end, okay? And I hope to see you guys in the comment section. I love you all. Don't go nowhere. Let's cook o'clock, shall we? So this is me blending my crayfish, pepper, spring onions and tomatoes all together. So yeah, we're done blending. This is more like the first stage where you see the list of pots we'll be using finally. So this is my vegetable. So guys, before cooking vegetable, try as much as possible to wash it twice. You need to see the dirt I found or I find while washing this vegetable. So once I'm done, I just cut it. After cutting it, I washed it for the second time, and this second time I'll be washing it with salt. It's very important. It will help kill the germs that comes in with the vegetable. So this is it, and let's see the final product. So we'll be using palm oil, vegetable oil, grated okra, stockfish, goat meat, dry fish, locust beans, blended pepper, tomatoes and okra, and our washed vegetable with some cubes of Maggi for taste. So let's go into the proper cooking. I have my pot here with water, pepper, onions, and I'll be adding my stockfish, bitter leaf, locust bean and the rest. I'll allow it to boil. While it's boiling, I'll add my Maggi cubes for taste. I use two different cubes of Maggi or different type of Maggi, but that should be your own decision. It depends on what you want and the type of seasoning you use in your soups. So once I've added that, I'll add a bit of salt for taste and I'll cover it. I'll bring another pot to start preparing the vegetables because I have limited time, love. So this is the pot on fire with some vegetable oil in it. Once I notice it's heated up, because I used to add onions to make sure that the oil is properly heated up. Once I notice that it's properly heated, I added my blended tomatoes, pepper and onions, and all of that. But yeah, once I notice that it's already frying properly, I'll add my stock into it. That's my dry fish and the rest into it. I'll be adding my Maggi cubes for taste. You get for taste because Sally loves good food, guys. Oh my goodness, you don't know. So I'll be adding my cubes of Maggi as usual, two different types, and I'll stir and allow it to fry a bit, and I'll add some salt for taste, and then I'll add some water, you know, to allow the sauce sink into the meat properly. Do you understand? Now that I notice that it's frying properly, I'll just cover it and go back to check on my okra stock. So the okra water is boiling. Now that I notice that it's boiling properly, everything must have been cooked properly. I'll add my palm oil. Adding my palm oil, guys, because this palm oil is very nice, guys. This oil is very nice. Added my palm oil, and I'll be adding my okra to give me that look and that taste I want from the okra soup. So I'll be adding my grated okra into the pot, and I will stir. Or you must say what, stir, and I will juya it and I will mix it. Do you understand? And it's giving me the vibe that I want. But because I don't want my okra to draw too much, I will be covering it a bit for some minutes while I check on my vegetable. So I'm checking on it now. It's properly cooked. I'll be adding my vegetable into the sauce. Into what? Into the sauce. Did you hear that? And I will cover it and allow it to steam up while I check my okra. And my okra is Jesus. And my okra is ready, loves. I'll just turn off the lights and put it aside. And I know that I'm facing what's the vegetable. So I checked that the steam has heated it a bit and the vegetable has compressed a bit into the pot. So yeah, I can mix it properly now. So I'm mixing it. I'll try as much as possible that I mix the whole sauce and the vegetable together, that it's properly mixed. Not that you see one part properly mixed and the other part the vegetable will say Sally, kini mo ṣe fún ẹ, kini mo ṣe fún ẹ. No. And guys, our soup is ready, but first I'll be eating my pounded yam with what, with my okra soup. I love you guys. See you in the next one.